This is the background that we are going to use, so you just add your raw picture. Hit on the remove background button. Now let's crop the photo. Due to the background that we are using, we have to add more shadows because of the darkness in the room. Now let's do some retouches on the lips, the eye, and then the teeth. It's now time to add some light rays. And some shining too. Head on to the effects and choose the filter that you prefer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tijungle.